In this time I will show you how to make interesting leaf made in Tunisian technique. Let's begin the work. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Let's begin the work. Make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Begin. I will begin from the second chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, insert the hook into the second chain stitch, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through first loop, then pull through 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. The first row is made. Begin the next row. Here is the first row. Insert the hook into the stitch of the previous row, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. We have 5 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through first loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. Insert the hook between the stitches, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, insert the hook between stitches, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Insert the hook between the stitches, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 7 stitches. Then yarn over, pull through first loop. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Pull up a loop and pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop and pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through first loop and first, then pull through 2 loops, still remaining 1 loop on the hook. As you can see, I have increased into the each row. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. I insert the hook into the between stitches, pull up a loop and insert the hook into the stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 10 stitches. Insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, till remaining 1 loop on the hook. As you remember, I began from the 3 stitches, and now I have 11 stitches in the row. Should make increase till you will get 15 stitches in a row. I continued the work. I have 15 stitches in the row. Let's make the next one. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Let's make in this way till the end of this row. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15 stitches. Then yarn over, pull through, then pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Let's begin the second row straight. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. Pull up a loop and insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. You can count each stitch if you want. Then yarn over, pull through, and pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. We have done 2 rows. Begin the third one. Insert the hook into each stitch, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the last stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Continue working in this way till 1 loop remaining on the hook. In total it should be 8 of them such rows. I continued the work. In total it should be 8 of them. Now I show you how to count rows rightly. As you can see here the stitch on the stitch. Now look at the right, this is the stitch that I added. It means it is the last round of the increases. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Begin the next row and make stitches as we did before. We'll leave the last stitch, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops till you will get 1 loop on the hook. Let's make the grease in this row. Begin the next row, make a stitches. Make a loops. Make a loop, then yarn over, pull through first loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops till you will get 1 loop on the hook. Begin the next row, make a loops, I leave the last 1 stitch, then yarn over, pull through first loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops till you will get 1 loop on the hook. This is the greases. Then you should make the grease at the end of each row. Here how the greases look like. We'll continue the work. Make 1, make the second, we have the last stitch, pull up a loop and insert the hook into the next, then yarn over, pull through. Here what we have, now I'm going to make the trim, make a chain, turn the work, 1 2 3, insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch, make single crochet to each stitch, So continue working in this way till this point. I have done single crochet till this point. Now I show you what we will do next. Make single crochet, then single crochet into the same stitch, make single crochet into each stitch, make the last stitch, make a chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Begin from the third one, 1, 2, 3. Make single crochet into each stitch. And make a slip stitch into the chain stitch. Here what we have. Now I cut off the yarn. Here how it looks. You should steam the swatch of this sleeve. Also, you can change color of or kind of yarn or crochet hook. For example, you can make it of variegated yarn. Don't miss our new video tutorials on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.